Hello?
Yes, I can see you.
I'd like to introduce my factory briefly. Our factory name is NINGBO SUNLE Lighting Electric Company. And we are a store company specialized in the development, production, marketing, and service of illuminations and electric products. Totally, my factory is located in Ningbo, which is very close to Shanghai. And we have about 11,000 square meters in total, and including 18,000 square meters of constructed area. We are very close to Oriental Giant Port, Ningbo Port. And my factory is mainly producing outdoor lights, such as LED street light, LED floodlight, high bay light, solar light, and garden light. And we have become to the whole outdoor lights products, and we also have our own technical team. All products are exported to Europe, South America, Russia, and Southeast Asia, also Middle East and other regions in the world. We have our business tenet is quality first and reputation first. So we have regular customers and new customers all over the world in the recent years. So that is a brief introduction about my factory.
Okay, yeah, basically, this is the basic information about your company, and I am the Ningbo Ning. So this kind of connects to you, close to you. So after your presentation about your company, do you want to introduce more about your product?
Yeah, I want to introduce our main products, a few models. First, I like to introduce one model of our floodlight. This is a wholesale model in the past 2 years, and we launched this model in last year, and this model number is our SAP8. It's our SAP series, and this model is SAP8. It has different color temperature to be chosen. Also, it can be made in RGB series. It can be red color, green color, and blue color, also by purple. And the color temperature is optional. We have 3,000 key to 6,500 key. And for this model, we have minimum 10 watts to maximum 300 watts available.
Okay.
And it can be connected to cable with a 3-core to European market, and also to South American market. And here, and the IP level, it reaches IP65. And it can be the material is die casting aluminum, and with tempered glass cover. And the inside is a reflector. It's a non-reflector, and also with brackets. So it can be used in shops and work and offices, also used in the garden and public offices, public places. So
what's the weight of this product?
The weight, our products has much weight because we focus on the heat dissipation of products. If the light has no weight, is light, and it will affect the lifespan of the product. So we don't produce the products with light. We focus on the weight very much, so we don't use very light fixture to assemble. Yeah. And this one we have DOB series, and also we have the linear series. The AC input can be from AC 85 to 265, and also it can be AC can be the input voltage can be 220 to 240. So it's a shortfall. It is we can produce according to customers' requirement and according to different countries' voltage.
Okay.
This is the plug.
Yeah.
This one is with the cable and the plug. This is, but generally, if a customer they don't need plug, and the prices will be reduced, and we just keep 10 centimeters cable. That is enough.
Okay. Yeah.
And this is our model FAP8, and this one is our the new model in this year, and we developed recently in the recent few months. This model is called F20, and this one is called is a medium quality, and it's suitable for customer project and for the city product projects. So this one is the heat sink is different from FAP8.
Yes, I can see the difference.
Yeah, this heat sink is also very heavy. It's much heavier, and this one can be installed by the Zaga receptacle. And it can be 7 pins, 3 pins, or 7 pins. In this sample, it's 3 pins. So it is very strong die-cast aluminum body, and also it's the bracket also is wide. The size of the bracket is wide.
It can be strong hold.
Yeah, it's strong one. This is another model. This one we also have different voltage available, different volts available. So this is our another very quality model. We call it quality flat lights. It's flat light. We sold it well in our in domestic market. It has very strong, hard housing. The housing is very hard, and it's the IP level is up to IP66. And it has about 8 lighting distribution, and we have it can be with the Philip chips Osron chips and some and Bridge looks LT chips. You can see, and here is the driver box.
Okay.
The LT driver can be chosen Minwell, Philips, and Mao Shou. Also, we have Inventronics drivers available, and it is very suitable for projects and especially for customers. They have very important projects in their country and they want to be tenders. We usually recommend these models for customers because it's really very good quality. First, the quality is very guaranteed. Totally, it's we make it to be 5 years guarantee.
Oh, okay, 5 years warranty. Okay.
Yeah, 5 years guarantee at least.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is very good at heat dissipation. So actually, maybe not only 5 years, 5 to 7 years.
Okay.
It's okay. So should I introduce more products about our products? Or I show you our showroom?
Yeah,
we can.
Let's go around your showroom, okay?
Yeah, actually, floodlight and it is just our main parts, but we also have such, for example, we also have solar street lights. Also, we have many street lights. We have not introduced yet. This is our street light and high bay light. Because this showroom is just a part of we just put very limited products here.
Yeah, basically.
We also have work light. Yeah.
Yeah, with your introduced for the product, I know more. I do some knowledge of your product, and so thank you for your introduction. Thank you for your introduce.
It's my work. It's my work, my pleasure.
Okay, thank you so much. So see you next time.
Okay, see you.
Thank you.